Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Richa Mundhara for all those who are new here, and I make videos on beauty, lifestyle and so much more. So please hit that subscribe button and join the fam. This video is about my favorite lipsticks. If you know, you know. I'm a lipstick hoarder. I made like A to Z lipstick video. I'll link it somewhere here and I'll put the link in the description. I know how much lipsticks I have and I love them, and I think the one makeup product that changes the whole thing is lipsticks for me. So right now I have nothing on my lips apart from my trusted lip balm, because I'm gonna be trying my favorite 5 lipsticks and telling you what they are. So not in any particular order, but let's start the video. So the first lipstick that I have is this. This is the Smashbox ka Gulabe Mini. So there are 2 lipsticks which are high-end, baki are pretty much in budget. But this is the Smashbox Gulabe. It is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. This is like a very pretty nude, and this is something that I usually, whenever I'm going out, I wear this because this is so pretty. Like, this is so pretty. It has like a purple undertone to it. So can you see? It is such a pretty shade and I love this. This is a liquid formula. It dries up very nicely on my lips and it stays for quite some time. So yep. I think it is the mini range which comes with the Boss, and it was about for $1,000, so not that expensive. But I'm quickly gonna wear and show you how it looks. But these lipsticks are something that I can wear even when I'm not wearing like a full face makeup like right now. So if you can see how it looks, and this is how the swatch looks. So this is my recommendation number 1. Please have it in your vanity. It's such a go-to shade and you can use it like anywhere, everywhere. It just has that subtle shade onto it. It gives your lips a tint and it like a pump and I like it. So this lipstick is not transfer proof. I will get some of these on my lips, but it stays for quite long. You don't need to touch up. It's under budget. It's Smashbox ka mini, so you can try those minis and then invest in a bigger or like a bada wala liquid lipstick. And it's not transfer proof, but it stays on for long. And let's see how it removes. Okay, I'll get you up close, and if you can see, these are my natural lips and the color is all out, not leaving any stains, which is a good thing. The second lipstick that we're gonna move to is a pretty brown shade. ये एकदम typical मम्मियों को बहुत पसंद आने वाला shade है ये. I like it, but not that much. Like, I'm more towards the pink nudes, like the mauvey nudes and all of those shades, rather than like the brown shade. But I know a lot of people love it, so that is why I've included this on my top favorites. And this is the Nykaa's Madras Kapi. This is from the Nykaa's Matte to Last range. I'll leave the exact name here. And oh, this is such a pretty shade. The only problem that I'm having with these shades are, like, I have 2-3 more in this category, is that the pigment is somehow removing. I bought them about 2 years ago, so the pigment is somehow removing, but I'm gonna quickly swatch it for you. And this is such a pretty brown shade. It doesn't look brown on the camera, and I think that is like one reason that I've picked it, that it's not like pakka brown. And now let me swatch it on my lips and show you. It doesn't show as brown on my lips. It gets merged very easily with my lips ka color. Yeah, but that is how it is. It does not have a lot of tint in it. It's pretty nude. It's pretty on my lips color, and it's pretty nice. The formula is super light. You'll not feel any stickiness. It does not dry off to be like a matte with जो matte lipsticks होती है ना, which dry off and they become like very chappy. It does not do that, so that's a good thing. Again, this one also not transfer proof. It has its own color. Not so good, but it's pretty affordable, so I would say that I'll not judge this on that. You might need to touch this lipstick up क्योंकि after like 4-5 hours this goes away if you eat or if you drink. So you might need to touch it up, but you can always have the mini and try this out. Nykaa's का mini आता है ये वाली lipstick का, and you can try it out and let me know what you think about it. Now coming to removing it. I'm gonna bring you up and close again and see, removed in one swipe, which is such a good deal. Now moving on to the third lipstick that I have is this one. This is from Sugar. It's the Grape Drape. This is a mauvey shade. Okay, you'll see a pattern in all of my lipsticks. They tend to have similar aftertones, so that is how I choose my lipsticks, because I feel that there's a particular color that looks good in my face. So I'll not go for a lot of oranges, or I'll not go for a lot of dark browns, dark maroon shades. I don't like them. So pink, light browns, pinks, mauves are all my shade category, and this is under the mauve wala shade wala reason. And Sugar ka lipsticks, this damn it stays for so long. I can't even tell you. This dries up to become a little matte, and it stays. It's not exactly transfer proof, but it is half transfer proof. I'll tell you what it means. So I'm just gonna swatch it. Such a pretty color. It looks like grape को जब crush करके जब कपड़ों पे दाग लगता है ना, like I think that's where the name is inspired from. Such a pretty shade. Okay, now I'll tell you what I meant by that it's semi-transfer proof. So if you rub it now, the color comes out, but after a while it does not. This pigment stays for so long, which is such a such a cool thing, because you want that. Can you see? It's such a pretty color, and without makeup also ये color कितना सुंदर लग रहा है. The only problem I have with this lipstick is कि ये ना it leaves like, can you see? It leaves some I don't know what's called. It leaves some particles here and there, which puts me off. But nevertheless, I love the color. It stays for such long time. So yeah. Because it stays for long, इसको remove करने में थोड़ी सी दिक्कत आनी चाहिए. Can you see? It has a little stain on my lips still, but it's okay. The next colors that I'm gonna try are pretty dark, so I don't mind. But if you see, it has a little stains. थोड़ा सा hard होता है इसको remove करना, but I feel it's worth it because it gets transfer proof after a while, so you'll like it. Okay, the next shade is the most spoken shade, and it's the most beautiful shade. I'm talking about Ruby Woo. This is one red you should have. Look at how pretty this is. This is one red everyone should have in their vanity. This is how it swatches. This is a expensive lipstick, not gonna lie, but it's a pretty red. It's not a bright red. It's a red into a little maroon kind of shade with an orange undertone, and it is lovely. It is lovely. It dries up on your lip. You might need to gloss it up, but it's so pretty. It's not transfer proof. It's not affordable, but it's worth an investment. Let me quickly swatch it for you. Can you see how amped up and how my face suddenly brightened by applying this lipstick? That is how the effect of Ruby Woo is on your lips. I'm gonna bring you up close to tell you how it looks. It does not show as very drying on your lips, and if you apply it nicely, not like what I have applied, but apply it nicely, it's very pretty. Okay, it's not transfer proof. See, I told you, इसको remove करना बिल्कुल difficult नहीं है. And moving on to the last lipstick, this is from Maybelline, and oh god, So I think I got this from someone, I don't remember who, but I actually just took it from someone because I loved the shade. This is Maybelline's Color Show Creamy Matte Lip Color, and this is in the shade Madly Magneta. So this is one shade that I had, and I think I have it from Chennai, so I might have stole it from Cynthia. But yeah, this is how it looks. This is a proper mauve shade. So like the sugar one, ये वैसा ही shade है, और ये बहुत ज़्यादा creamy है. You might have to keep it in the fridge because this kind of melts down in like temperature. But look how pretty it is. I think एक time पे this was one of my those shades which I used to wear to office because look how pretty this is when I was not into nudes wala category. Right. This is also in the affordable range. Let's see how it removes. Okay, yeah. So that was it for today's video. Those were my top 5 lipsticks. If you want me to do any like other top 5 series, eyeshadows, foundations, etc., let me know in the comments below and I would come up with that series. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Bye.